Stop saying very, very, very happy. English speakers don't talk like that. We say so happy. But wait, so has 5 different uses, and most learners only know one. If you use so wrong, you sound like a textbook, not a real person.
Exactly. And if someone says, "So, what happened?" and you don't answer, they think you're confused. So is tiny, but it controls conversations.
Today, you'll learn all 5 ways English speakers use so every single day. By the end, you'll sound confident, natural, and smooth. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English. I'm here to help you speak real English, the kind you actually hear in daily life.
And I'm here to make sure you sound natural, not like a student reading from a book. We focus on what people really say at work, with friends, at the coffee shop, everywhere.
If you want to speak confidently in real situations, hit that subscribe button. We practice together every single week.
All right, let's jump in. So is one of the most common words in English, but most learners usually only know one.
Right, they say, "I am very, very tired," when native speakers would say, "I'm so tired." That's just the beginning.
Today, we're teaching you 5 ways to use so, and we'll practice each one together. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, first use. So means very. This is the easiest one, but most learners still get it wrong.
Right, beginners say, "I am very, very tired." That sounds stiff and unnatural.
English speakers say, I'm so tired. It's shorter, smoother, and more emotional.
Listen to the difference. "I am very hungry." Sounds like a robot.
Now listen, I'm so hungry. That sounds real. That's how friends talk.
Let's practice. Say it with us. "I'm so tired."
Good. Again, I'm so excited.
Perfect. One more. "I'm so happy to see you."
You did it. Now here's the trick. You can use so with almost any feeling.
Exactly. So happy, so sad, so cold, so busy, so easy.
Let me give you a real-life example. Imagine you're texting a friend. You write, I'm so tired today.
That sounds natural. Now imagine you write, "I am very, very tired today." Sounds weird, right?
Totally weird. Always use so for strong feelings. It's faster and more natural.
All right, ready for number 2?
Yes, second use. So means therefore or that's why. This connects 2 ideas.
But here's the problem. Learners use because when they should use so.
Right. They say, I was tired because I went to bed early. That's backwards.
Correct sentence. "I was tired, so."